Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here. I have done this kitty before a while ago for a tutorial, quite a while ago, and I thought I'd give it a second try because it's going to be different. I've learned a lot since then. So I'm going 3 times the speed here, just mapping in the shapes, shaping that muzzle, and correcting the ears a little. I really like doing cats that are grooming themselves. It's just such a charming thing that they do. I'm just making lots of corrections as I go. Just making sure that muzzle's shaped properly before I put the lines in. I like that. Really slowing down and being careful here because I want it to look convincingly like that tongue is licking that paw. And we'll work on the ears a little. Notice I'm just giving hints of hair here and there. Just carefully picking the spots where I can give a few suggestions of hair. A bit of markings, just a hint. Just using the markings to kind of shape the face and also add character, but not worrying about getting them exactly the way they are in the photo. It's just a character and soul I want to capture. I'm liking it. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or what's up today or whatever. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing, and I'll do my best to get it on here. Just darken that tongue up a bit. Helps it stand out a little, show it's something different than the rest. Just a few whiskers. Just a suggestion of whiskers more than anything. Too many whiskers can weigh down the face, and I tone them down a bit at the end. Thanks for watching. See you next time.